Hello. In this section, Research Design and Research Methods, we will work in the different kinds of research that we can develop in educational research. But first, what is educational research? According to the American Educational Research Association, it is a scientific field of study that examines the processes of education and learning, as well as the interactions that occur in this process. It also seeks to describe, understand, and explain how the learning takes place through a person's life and how the different formative contexts, individually or in combination, formal, non-formal, and informal, affect different types of learning. That's it. Educational research makes it possible to know the educational reality through the establishment of research objectives and questions. Thus, educational research is led by the scientific method, rigor and accuracy, establishes the research objectives and questions, the research purpose, and it is important to know what has been previously studied on the subject. Also, it allows us to establish future topics of research. Indeed, it requires being rigorous and objective, and it is necessary to obtain a more precise knowledge of the reality studied. This knowledge is based on facts and data that, as far as possible, can be demonstrated, repeated, and contrasted regardless of who carries out the investigation. Our research shouldn't be an improvised activity, but planned and structured. Within this planification, we should take some decisions about the kind of research we would like to develop, according to our research aims, sample or participants, but also the kind of data we would like to acquire. For doing that, we have different research methodologies, such as quantitative methods, qualitative methods, or mixed research methods. So what that means? That in education, in many cases, the idea is that complex educational phenomena are studied from both perspectives. All in all, depending on the research methodology chosen, we will use different research tools. To sum up, educational research allows us to know and study in depth phenomena that have to do with teaching and learning process. It makes educational improvement possible, and it allows us to improve our professional teaching competence and facilitates the development of innovation processes by detecting needs of the different actors of the educational fact. I hope this information be useful for you. Keep in touch.